Hey everybody, this is Eric Stark with Radio Arizona RV. So I'm going to be talking about the metal weather shields on A&E Dometic Awnings. Dometic owns A&E Awnings, and so this here is what is called a flexible metal weather shield. So A&E has put these on their patio awning fabrics or main awning fabrics or the big awning, however how you want to call it. But patio awning fabric is really what it's called. So this is the flexible metal weather shield. When we're talking about this, like you're ordering one from us, this is the metal weather shield that we're talking about. So this actually happened to be off of Weather Pro. It says Weather Pro right on there. Now this one here is off a 9100 awning made by A&E Dometic. Really not much difference. They do the same thing. You can see this one's a little bit longer, but actually that can be resolved by taking one of these slats out. Sometimes when you order a fabric, you have to remove a slat to actually make this fit the newer fabrics. But anyway, so that's the A&E Flexible Metal Weather Shield, and that's really the one that's the issue when buying an awning, or an awning fabric. So this is a Carefree one. Now the Carefree one's different, and we'll get into the difference of the A&E as well, but right here on a Carefree, this is the piece here that slides into the awning rail on the side of the RV. It actually goes in like so, and this will actually sit about like this on an RV. So this portion here is facing up, then you have your metal cover that comes around, and it'd be like that with a roller tube in there. So this awning, or this metal cover, not really a big deal if you have one. You have a Carefree awning, it's called a Luma Guard. And this one is not really a big concern because the way it's made is different than the A&E one. Now the A&E one, see, it doesn't have anything that goes into the awning rail. What it has is a slot here and a slot here. Now I don't have a fabric for this, unfortunately. So on an A&E, you'd have this fabric would extend up here, then you'd have the bead here, imaginary area, that would go into the awning rail. And then there would be a bead that goes into here, then you'd have fabric, and then a bead here, and then fabric going to the roller tube. So an A&E awning with a metal weather shield actually has 5 beads or 5 polycords in it. You'd have one up here at the awning rail. This would be number 2, number 3, and 4 and 5 would be at the roller tube. So this is the flexible metal weather shield. And this is the problem one to get fabrics right now because Dometic is so far behind schedule on them. But just so you know, this is the A&E flexible metal weather shield. And this same metal weather shield is used on some of their slide down awning fabrics and their window awnings. Of course, it's proportionately smaller, but it's the same design, same principle. So if you have an awning with this, especially if you're ordering a fabric from us, this is what we need to know to determine what kind of awning you need, whether it's a patio awning fabric, a slide out awning fabric, or a window awning fabric. So Weather Pro 9100. They're almost identical. So keep that in mind, and when you're asked, now you know. This is a flexible metal weather shield. So thank you for watching this video. Everybody have a great day.